Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. So a lot of people have this confusion that term life insurance actually kitna lena chahiye. Okay, based on your age and based on your income. We have seen this in a video that I've posted few weeks back, which I will also give a link to at the end of the video. Based on your age and based on your annual income, you are eligible for a certain amount of term life insurance that you can take. Okay, it can range between 5 times to as high as 30 times. Generally 10 to 15 times, 20 times to hota hi hai. Now, the point here is people say, as a thumb rule, you should buy 10 to 15 times of your term life insurance. As financial advisors, we also say that you should buy 10 to 15 times of your of your income as your term life insurance. But a lot of people don't understand the significance of doing this. Okay, but let's try and understand an exact calculation that will give you कि आपका term life insurance कितना होना चाहिए and इसका concept क्या है. First, understand term life insurance means kya. As soon as I start paying the premium, if something happens to Mr. X, okay, Mr. X is paying the premium, and if something happens to Mr. X, then his family will receive a corpus, okay. So assume it's almost like a compensation of the income that the person would have received in his life, okay. We'll go to the calculation and understand this better. Okay, so here's the calculation. Let's say if someone is at the age of 30 right now, okay, his annual income is 10 lakhs, okay, he decides to take a term life insurance. Now, like I said, it's a compensation of the monthly income or the annual income that you could have received if you were alive. For example, the person say has an increment of 6% in his next year, okay, so 10 lakh 60,000 हो गया. I have put numbers here. So 10 lakh पहले साल में income, उसके बाद 10 lakh 60,000 in the next year. In the third year, he will receive 11 lakh 23,000 odd. Okay. So the point is every year income would have gone to himself and his family for his living expenses and for their family's financial goals, child's education, child's marriage, for their maintenance, their living basically is something that this money would have contributed. Now, if you see, what I've done is I've added these money because essentially what does this mean? That if someone dies today, then there is a certain income that he would have received till he got retired. That income नहीं आने वाला. इसके लिए टर्म लाइफ इंश्योरेंस जरूरी है. ओके, सो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन. सो आई हैव पुट आउट, we have continued to take in 6% increment. Okay, 6%, 6%. I've done it till the age of 55 because person will retire by the age of 55. If you do it till 60, goes even more. So if you see someone started with an income of 10 lakhs, okay, in his lifetime he will receive an income of more than 5 crore 90 lakhs. Okay, so this means close to 6 crores is something that he will receive. Now, we also say you should add any outstanding loan. Say, for example, if the person has a loan of 30 lakhs, which is outstanding, okay, he can add this and his term life insurance that he should take potentially, because that's the value of his life, is around 6 crores 20 lakhs. Okay, so simple calculation भी अगर आप देखोगे तो अगर कोई 10 लाख, if someone has an income of 10 lakhs and it's growing, obviously, correct. Now for example, let's say if this increment is not 6%, it's 8%. Okay, now if you see this, and if I just pull down the numbers to 8% for the entire table, if you see the income that he would have received his entire life is close to 8 crores, and then if we add this outstanding loans, obviously it goes very high as 8 crore 30 lakhs or so. So the point is, there was an income that you would have received your entire life, which you are not receiving, because which your family is not receiving because you die. That income has to be compensated for, which the term life insurance company does. So age, increment percentage, annual income, you can do this Excel and see for yourself. Just just make that Excel, pull that Excel ahead, and you will realize there is an income that you will receive. People don't understand the amount or the magnitude of income that they'll receive their entire life, and based on which your term life insurance can be taken, because that's the value of your incomes that you will receive, and that's the value of your life. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much, everyone.